Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products out there. Today, we're diving into the world of party decorations, focusing on one of the best offerings in the market, the green and brown balloons from FunHot. These aren't just your ordinary balloons. They're designed to elevate your party to the next level with their elegant sage green, brown, and beige hues. Perfect for safari, jungle, or woodland-themed events, these balloons add a touch of sophistication to any celebration. Let's unpack what makes these balloons stand out from the rest. Firstly, the package includes a total of 45 balloons, ensuring you have plenty to work with for your event. Among these are 15 sage green, 15 brown, 10 ivory white, and 5 beige balloons, along with a handy white ribbon for easy setup. Crafted from high-quality latex, these balloons boast vibrant colors that last throughout your entire event. Plus, they're a breeze to set up. Whether you're inflating them with helium for a floating display or simply blowing them up and hanging them around the venue, you'll find the process stress-free and efficient. But the versatility of these balloons doesn't stop there. From birthday parties to baby showers, weddings to woodland gatherings, they seamlessly fit into any occasion. Serving as eye-catching centerpieces or enhancing your existing decor with their charming colors. And let's talk about value. At an affordable price point, these balloons offer a cost-effective way to add a touch of luxury to your event without breaking the bank. So, you can create a festive atmosphere without worrying about overspending. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best green and brown balloons on the market, look no further than FunHot's offering. With their quality construction, elegant colors, and unbeatable value, they're sure to make your next event truly memorable. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more reviews on top-notch products like this one.